We are surrounded by information. News, social media and videos come at us from every direction, instantly. But how do you know what's true? That's where media literacy comes in. Media literacy is the ability to use, understand and create media and communications across multiple formats and services. In a world filled with fake stories, fake videos and unreliable information, it's more important than ever to know what's true and what isn't. Without media literacy, it's easy to get misled, make bad decisions or even spread false information without realising it. Media literacy can help us to make better choices. Cwmpas is working in partnership with Ofcom and partners local to RCT to help people make those better choices and to keep themselves safe online. Ofcom and Cwmpas believe media literacy is everyone's business, which is why we are working with local partners.